This is a brief and informative video about SQL commands. SQL, that is, Structured Query Language, commands are instructions used to communicate with the database. You write an SQL command as follows. SQL sends the command to the database. Database processes the command now. Database sends the result back. In simple words, SQL commands are instructions used to communicate with the database. There are 5 types of SQL commands. These are DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL commands. DDL command used to define or modify the structure of database objects. DML command used to retrieve, insert, update or delete data in database. DCL command used to control access permissions on data within the database. TCL command used to manage changes made by DML statements in a transaction. DQL command used to retrieve data from the database. These 5 types of SQL commands work together to define, manipulate, control and retrieve data in a database. Let us learn these commands in detail in the next screen. DDL commands are used to define or modify the structure of database objects. Create command is used to create new tables, indexes or views. Alter command is used to modify the existing structure of tables, indexes or views. Drop command is used to remove existing tables, indexes or views. Truncate command is used to remove all records from a table but keeps the structure intact. DDL command summary is shown here. DML commands are used to manipulate the data inside database tables. Insert command is used to insert new records into a table. Update command is used to modify existing records in a table. Delete command is used to remove existing records from a table. So, in summary, insert adds new data, update changes existing data, delete remove data from the table. DCL commands are used to control access and permissions of users on database objects. Grant command is used to give permissions to users. This screen shows how grant commands works. Revoke command is used to remove previously granted permissions. This screen shows how revoke commands works. This shows summary of grant and revoke commands. TCL handles transactions in a database ensuring data is consistent and reliable. Commit command makes the changes permanent. After commit, the data is saved in the database. Rollback undoes the changes. If something goes wrong, rollback restores the database to the previous state. Save point creates a temporary point within a transaction. We can go back to the save point instead of the whole transaction. So, in summary, use commit to save changes, rollback to undo changes, and save point to control transactions at intermediate stages. DQL is used to retrieve data from the database. Select command used to retrieve data. Syntax and example are shown here. It fetches data based on the command we choose. sample table contents is fetched here using select command. Here, a sample running select query is shown with result. Here, where clause with select used to filter the data based on the condition we specify. So, DQL helps us ask questions and get answers from our database. This is a brief and informative video about SQL commands. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for better informative videos. Thank you for watching.